are going to have another video tutorial for the if and else statement. So let's click File, New, Project, and then empty project. We will name it as if and else. Then click OK. Okay, and then if and else, I will save it on my desktop. Then click Save. Okay, Control S to save. And then if and else. Okay, so let's start coding. Of course, the header, which is the include. I will make it bigger. So include IOStream. Then using namespace std semicolon. The int min function, of course, followed by the open curly brace. So let's declare number. Cout. So enter an integer because we are going to enter a number. Then for us to enter a number, let's use the cin, and then let's call the number that we declared. Don't forget the semicolon, of course. So now we are going to use the if and else. So we will have the condition if number, we need to call what we declared, of course, which is the number. So number is greater than or equals to 0. Okay, and then we will have another open and close curly brace for our statement or if statement. So it will display if our value is greater than or equal to 0, it will display you entered a positive integer. Then, of course, we will call the number. Okay, set the end, and then the close curly brace, and then we have the else. After else, we will have another open and close curly brace. Then else, if we did not, or if our value is not greater than or equal to 0, it will print. Okay, it will display the you entered a negative integer. Of course, because it is lower than 0. And then number and. Okay, and then the close curly brace. Okay, and then cout. We will have another display here. This is an optional only, so I will display this one. This line is always printed, of course. Okay, this is just an optional. And then return 0 semicolon our close curly brace. Okay, so our output, okay, let's see, let's run our program, compile and run. Number is greater than or equals to 0. I will input a positive number or integer. So let's see if this will display. Let's see if we don't have any errors, of course. Okay, let's wait until the file or the program is compiled. Okay, so enter an integer. I will input 4. Then press enter or click enter. As you can see, we entered. So you entered a positive integer because 4 is a positive number. And here is the optional print out. Okay, this line is always printed. Let's try a negative number. So negative 4. There you go. You entered a negative integer. Okay, so that will be the end for this video tutorial about if and else statement. So don't forget to subscribe on my YouTube channel and don't forget to like, share, and click the notification bell. So see you on my next video tutorial. Bye!